Hi, my name's Richard. I'm one of the lead educators here at A-Training. So today I'm just going to talk a little bit about the training that we offer with Derma PRP. PRP being platelet-rich plasma. So really fantastic treatment that you can offer within your clinic as a skin booster. We also use plasma which is taken from the blood, so it isn't synthetic, it is natural from the client, and we inject plasma. We also use microneedling, and we then apply the plasma to the skin, brilliant for cell renewal and for repair. So what plasma is going to do, working with microneedling, is going to help with fine lines, wrinkles, pigmentation, enlarged pores. It's a blanket treatment that's really brilliant for rejuvenation of the skin. Okay, so this is platelet-rich plasma, a one-day course which includes phlebotomy.